Hi, my name is Corporal Holly Reber-Billings, and I'm with the Pennsylvania State Police out of Troop T Hidespire. Troop T covers the entire Pennsylvania Turnpike, from the Ohio border all the way out to the Delaware River Bridge, and then also up in through the Pocono region to the New Jersey, New York area. If you're having a problem on the Turnpike, you want to dial *11 from your cell phone and pull over to the safest location so that dispatchers can send the police out to help you. We also want to make sure that you stay cognizant of where you're traveling. There's a lot of traffic out there, but every 1/10 of a mile on the Turnpike, you're going to see a sign telling you what the mile marker is. And know which direction you're traveling. Are you traveling east? Are you traveling west? What was the last interchange you went past? That helps us get to you more quickly. For more information on summer travel, please visit the Pennsylvania Turnpike site and check out Ramp Up for Summer Travel. Have a safe trip.